Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your money off Coinbase. First, you will need to log into your Coinbase account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the cash out or withdraw option, typically found on the main dashboard or within your portfolio. Then, choose the specific cryptocurrency or fiat currency, like US dollars, that you intend to move out of your account. This initial step is straightforward and sets the stage for your withdrawal process. Next, you will need to select how you want to receive your funds. Coinbase typically offers several options, such as a standard bank transfer, also known as ACH, a faster wire transfer, or even PayPal. Each method has different processing times and potential fees. For instance, an ACH transfer might take 3 to 5 business days, while a wire transfer could be completed within 1 business day, often with a higher fee. Choose the option that best suits your urgency and cost preferences. Now it's time to input the specific details for your withdrawal. Clearly state the exact amount of money you want to transfer out of your Coinbase account. Double-check that your linked bank account or PayPal information is correct and up to date. Any discrepancies could cause significant delays or even lead to funds being sent to the wrong place. Take a moment to review all the entered information carefully before proceeding to the final confirmation step. Finally, you will reach the review and confirmation stage. This is your last chance to verify all the details of your withdrawal, including the amount and the destination account. Coinbase will likely prompt you for a 2-factor authentication code to ensure the security of your transaction. Once you have confirmed everything and entered any necessary security codes, you can finalize the withdrawal. Your funds will then be processed according to the chosen method's timeline, typically within 1 to 5 business days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.